بزن بریم WH ها رو امروز بشکافیمشون. WH questions. آقا این who, when, why اینا چه معنی دارن؟ چجوری با اینا سوال پرسیم؟ WH با where شروع میکنیم. در WH question چون یه کوچولو سخته یادگیریش، من تمام تلاشمو میکنم که در 2 تا 3 پارت بهتون آموزش بدم. در 3 ویدیوی 15 دقیقه‌ای این پارت اولشه و شایدم تو این ویدیو خیلی خیلی مطلب عالی باشه که تو همین ویدیو ما جمعش کنیم. Let's get started. اول کار یادت نره ویدیو رو برای دوستات بفرست و سابسکرایب کن. You subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, let's get started. Hey, where are you going? در WH آخرش توه، نمیدونم آوه، فرام، اینا رو دیگه ول کن، چون بخوای اونا رو هم بپردازی یه کوچولو سخت میشه. این بیشتر حالت مکالمه ایه. It is more conversational. Where are you going to؟ دیگه تو نمیخوام. اون where are you going؟ با کی میری بیرون؟ Who are you going out؟ حالا with میگم خیلی نمیخوام گرامریش کنم، میخوام بیشتر بپرسی، چون خیلی مهمه سوال پرسیدن. It's very important. با WH خیلی خیلی ویدیو میخوام براتون بسازم که قشنگ راحت بدون فکر کردن without thinking you will be able to ask many questions. What are you doing؟ فعلا با حال استمراری میریم. چی کار داری میکنی؟ What are you doing؟ Where are you recording your video؟ کجا داری عمو یم یم؟ کجا داری ریکورد میکنی؟ Where are you recording your video؟ Well, it is my car. ماشین منه. It is my car. Whose is this car؟ ماشین کیه؟ Whose is this car؟ This is mine. مال منه. Where are you going؟ I'm going to work. دارم میرم سر کار. کجا رفتی امروز صبح؟ شیطون. Where did you go this morning؟ Where did you go this morning؟ Where did you go؟ did you دی به وای بیاد صدای ج میده. Where did you go this morning؟ Did you go alone؟ تنها رفتی؟ Ha! Where did you go this morning؟ I went alone. No, I didn't go alone. I went with my friend. با دوستم. Do you go to work every morning؟ هر روز صبح میری؟ Yes, I do. I go to work every morning. باشگاه کی به کی میری؟ اصلا باشگاه میری؟ Do you go to the gym؟ ببین خیلی رابطه مستقیم داره WH با do و does و did. اول بگو باشگاه میری. Do you go to the gym؟ بعد how often do you usually go to the gym؟ بسله؟ آره. How often do you usually go to the gym؟ کی به کی میری؟ How often do you usually go to the gym؟ I go to the gym every other day. یه روز در میون. اومدم تو این پارک سگا رو ببینم. Why did you come to this park؟ I just came here to see the dogs. I love dogs. I love pets. But because of my traveling, به خاطر سفرهام, because of traveling to everywhere, I can't keep a dog. نمیتونم نگهداری کنم. I can't keep a dog. بعد میپرسی چرا نمیتونی؟ Why can't you keep a dog؟ میگم I'm traveling a lot. I'm traveling a lot. زیاد سفر میکنم. And because of traveling, به خاطر سفر, because of traveling, I can't take the responsibility, مسئولیت نگهداری. I can't take the responsibility of keeping a dog. Okay, what's your name? My name is Saeed. How old are you? I'm 37. How many sisters and brothers have you got? I've got 2 sisters and no brother. Are your sisters married؟ متأهلة. One of them is married. The other one is single. Have you got nephew؟ خواهر زادی پسر داری. Have you got nephew? Have you got niece? I have got. گفتیم have you با have you got جفتش هم یکی. I have got دارم. I have دارم. Have you got nephew? Have you got nephew? Have you got a niece? niece خواهرزاده دختر. nephew خواهرزاده پسر. I've got a nephew. I've got a niece. And what do you do in your free time? I go jogging, walking, and play tennis. I love playing tennis. I love more outdoor activity. فعالیت‌های بیرون رو دوست دارم. Outdoor activity, not indoor. Indoor I love, but I just love to play PS4, PS5. I just love to play. But outdoor activities means walking, jogging, exercise, workout, go to the gym and enjoy the nature. از طبیعت لذت. Enjoy the nature. آیا به مهاجرت فکر Are you thinking about immigration? Yeah, I'm thinking. I didn't used to think قبلا فکر نمی کردم. I didn't used to think about immigration. But nowadays in روزا because I'm more active on YouTube and I'm going to upload no publish publish کنم انتشار کنم. I'm going to publish many videos on my YouTube channel. I have to emigrate but I'm not sure when. برای من در زیر بنویس کجا مهاجرت کنم. Where should I emigrate to? خیلی دوست دارم جنوب شرق رو برم. مالزی، تایلند, Singapore. I love to emigrate to those areas. جایی که خیلی خوبه، عالیه، آفتاب هست، گرمه، همه چی خوبه. Everything is good, great. I love to emigrate those area. و تنها زندگی میکنید. Do you live alone? No, I live with my parents. یا میتونی بگی yes, I live alone. Are you married? No, I'm not married. میتونی بگی yes, I'm married. Are you in a relationship? تو رابطه ای. I'm not in a relationship. تو رابطه نیستم. میتونی بگی yes, I'm in a relationship. Are you divorced? طلاق گرفتی میگی yes, I am. یا you got divorced? No, I didn't get divorced. طلاق نگی. I didn't get divorced. But how many days a week? چند روز در هفته. How often کی به کی do you usually go to the nature میری طبیعت یا مثلا go to the jungle جنگل seaside کنار دریا. Do you really enjoy your life? واقعا لذتی میبری. Do you really enjoy your life? Yes, of course, I enjoy my life. What time do you wake up? چه ساعتی بیدار میشی؟ What time do you start work? چه ساعتی شروع میکنی؟ What time do you finish work? یا finish بگو یا switch off. یعنی به اتمام میرسونی. What time do you switch off work? اگه مهاجرت کنی, if you emigrate, will you sell your car? Yes, I will. Will you sell your properties? No, I won't sell my properties. I just sell my car and I will buy a nice one abroad. Abroad یعنی خارج. آیا برنامه‌ای داری برای زندگی در خارج? Do you have any plan to live abroad? Do you have any plan to live abroad? Abroad? Yes, of course I have many plans to live abroad. شایدم عمان برم. Maybe I will go to Oman. I love Oman. It's a very peaceful country, very safe country. But I'm not sure. I'm thinking about حتما to Insta, to WhatsApp, to Telegram, to YouTube. برای من کامنت بذارید کجا مهاجرت کنم. Where should I emigrate to? I'm really thinking about the best place. I'm really thinking about the best place to emigrate to. تا مهاجرت کنم. Talk about مثلا صحبت کن. Talk about, describe, توصیف کن. یا who is your role model? الگوت کیه تو زندگیت? Who is your role model? Who did you learn English? از کی یاد گرفتی? Who did you learn English? Who did you learn English? از کی یاد گرفتی? Who did you help today? امروز به کی کمک کردی? Who did you help today? Who did you help today? How many students چند تا زبان آموز داری عمو یامیام؟ How many students do you have throughout the world? Throughout یعنی every parts of the world. Every parts of the world. Throughout the world. سراسر دنیا. Do you have so many students? خیلی زیاد. Do you have so many students? I have got so many students from everywhere. از همه جا. So many students from every parts of the world. از شغلت راضی هستی؟ Are you happy with your job? از زمانی که یوتیوب رو شروع کردم, since the day I started teaching on my YouTube channel, I'm super excited. ذوق خاصی دارم برای تولید محتوا. For creating videos, I am super excited. And I'm sure, مطمئنم subscriber ها بیشتر و بیشتر خواهند شد همه جای دنیا. My subscribers will be a lot, so many people from everywhere will subscribe to our YouTube channel, and everybody will get interested. علاقمند خواهند شد. Everybody will get interested in learning English. خودت چجوری یاد گرفتی عمو؟ How did you learn English? Did you learn English by yourself به تنهایی؟ Did you learn English on your own به تنهایی, or you participated شرکت کردی, you participated in any English classes? Did you take part? Take part, participate, or take part or attend any classes. کلاسا. I participated a few classes, but I mainly عمدتاً learned English by myself. I spent a lot of time. I practiced English by myself. I watched lots of videos on YouTube back then, اون موقعها, and I learned lots of words, vocabulary on YouTube. YouTube helped me a lot. That's why I think I owe YouTube seriously. مدیونشم. I owe YouTube because I learned lots of things from YouTube. On Instagram, I didn't learn English. زبان یاد نمیگیرم. I didn't learn English. Nothing. Just little things. But on YouTube, I learned a lot. I think YouTube is the best platform, بهترین پلتفرم, the best platform for learning English, specifically for education. به خصوص برای آموزش, YouTube can be the best platform. And it's a golden opportunity, بهترین فرصت طلاییه, for all students, subscribers, learn English free of charge. رایگان یاد بگیرن. You are my subscribers. یعنی فالوورهای من هستید. You are my subscribers, and I think this is a golden opportunity for you guys to learn English and use the words in everyday conversation. Who is your true friend? عمو یام یام کی دوست واقعیته؟ Who is your true friend? Who do you owe? مدیون کی هستی؟ Who do you owe in your life? Who helped you? کی بهت کمک کرد to become a successful person? آیا به نظر خودت عمو آدم شادی هستی؟ Are you a happy person? یا فقط جلوی دوربین, only in front of the camera you look happy? Are you really happy in your life? تو زندگیت شادی؟ Do you enjoy every minute of your life? هر دقیقه زندگیت لذت میبری؟ Do you enjoy every minute? برای من بنویس در زیر راه های لذت بردن چیا هستن. How can we enjoy our life? ببین من میخوام تصمیم گرفتم, یعنی بچه I have decided to let it go. بی خیال باشم. To be carefree. بی خیال. Divertation. I love to be carefree. I love to enjoy every minute. I'm not sure about tomorrow. دیگه فردا رو که نمیدونیم. We are not sure about tomorrow. We don't know what will happen tomorrow, and we are not sure about tomorrow. Then so we will enjoy today and right now. همین الان. Right now is our life. زندگی همین الانه. Just enjoy right now, because I'm not sure what will happen after I get down of the car. And then so we try to enjoy every minute of our life. So these WH questions are very important. Who, how often, where, what, when, کی. When are you going to marry? کی میخوایی ازدواج کنی؟ Have you met your soulmate? یعنی اون گمگشت رو دیدین have you met یعنی پیدا کردی. Have you met your soulmate or not yet? Not yet. And are you thinking about marriage? Thinking about marriage. About چون حرف اضافه است بعدش یا اسم میاد یا فعل یا انج. Are you thinking about marriage? And what are the most important criteria that you think a girl should have to be your soulmate? چقدر سخت شد این سال. What kind of criteria a girl should have? Criteria یعنی ویژگی ها. What kind of criteria a girl should have to be your soulmate تا باشه گمگشتش. And have you ever cheated? تا به خیانت کردی؟ Have you ever been cheated? تا به خیانت دیدی؟ دیدی میشه have you ever been cheated? Have you ever cheated یعنی خیانت کردی. And talk about your big mistakes اشتباهات بزرگ. Talk about your big decisions تصمیمات بزرگ. Big things that happened in your life. بزرگترین اتفاق زندگی چی بوده؟ The biggest thing that happened in your life. و بچه خیلی دوست دارم خیلی دوست دارم که باهاتون کلی موضوع کار کنم اما واقعا نیاز به حمایت شما دارم. I need your support. I need your support. ساپورت شما چیه؟ کلی تو اینستا استوری بذارید لینک یوتیوب رو با دوستاتون به اشتراک بذارید. عمو یام رو معرفی کنید. عمو یام رو به دوستاتون. اگه واقعا یاد میگی if you're learning English please introduce عمو یام to all your friends. تو زبونم خوب میچرخه عمو یام. And please introduce عمو یام to all of your friends. خیلی دوستتون دارم. منتظر ویدیوهای بعدی باشید. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.